Mommy, it's in my new. Look, Mommy.
Yeah. Are you happy to see them, anak?
Mommy, that's Tower's castle.
Can you see birds?
Yes.
Can you count them? Count them, anak. Sige nga, count them. Count them.
What?
Only 4?
Yeah, the bird. And the bird.
Are you happy to see the birds? Are you happy na? Dito mama. Ay, dito pa lang 4. Dito 4. Dito lang. Anak? Dito anak. Wow! There, oh! Over there, anak! Over there! There, oh, anak, oh! Dito, oh! Huwag mong pahawak sa mga mas. Hindi naman. Lawak din mo. Kulit din yung bayan. Can you hear that sound?
It's a monkey.
7.
It's a monkey.
Dapat may tubig tayo dito. Wow! It's a saltwater crocodile. Hindi naman siya gumagal. Ayun, anak! Oh! Are you staying?
Hi. Hi, crocodile. That's a crocodile. I'm not here. What's on top of it, Daddy?
It's a saltwater. We cannot help the crocodile.
Look, it's another one.
It's so big.
Let's see. Look, Daddy.
So big enough.
Daddy. Look. Another crocodile, Daddy. Another crocodile.
Kaya nga nakatakot, sabi ko nga. Baka mamay biglaan.
Hey, crocodile.
What a crocodile?
So many crocodiles.
What?
Indo-Pacific pala ito.
Okay, sino ba ito?
Ayun sila, oh. Dati andito sila, oh. Kaso maamoy.
It's a big bird. There.
Oh.
It's a big bird. See that? Oh, it's a big bird.
It's a big one.
Oh, from the top. Hold on.
It's a mouse. It's glow.
What's that?
It is glow.
Apa yan?
It's a baby glow.
Squirrel or what?
It's a baby glow.
It's a baby, ano daw?
Squirrels?
So cute.
It's cute.
Is it cute, anak?
Yes. It's cute, Daddy.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Na-appreciate na lang niya. Ang lawak talaga. Actually, sulit din ang pagpunta dito sa Avilon Zoo. Kasi sobrang lawak niya. Mas malawak pa siya sa Manila Zoo. Number 11 pa lang kami. So, until 70 ito.
Parang ano ko ito.
Oo, 13. Hindi pa 14. Pataas na tayo. 11 tayo kanina.
May ramp. Ano?
Oo.
Dito mo na kinunong ah.
Taas eh.
Yung dadaan.
Dito na ako, Daddy. Hintayin ko na kayo dito. Look, oh. Wow! Ostrich ba yan?
Ano yung ano? Say everyone. Ano?
Look at the cat.
It's a cute bird. Ngayon, it's a cute. It's a cool back. No, it's a cool. Picture mo din kami.
Nothing.
Picture mo din kami. You can do it, man. Take a picture with them.
Yeah, let's go to the Astra.
Ready? Let's take that. You stand up in your hand. Hindi ka lang, no? Hindi ka pwedeng lumapit. Hindi ka pwedeng lumapit. Tama, ang ganda na lang, no?
Hi, hi! Oh, say hi! I'm Tyler!
It's cute.
Pero balik ka naman.
Tell your name! Tell your name to the animals!
What? What's that noise now?
What's that noise?
Bilaw. Bigyan mo sa kabila nung meron pa.
Go, 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 go! Hindi na makita dati. Can you hold me?
Kami.
Oh. Hi!
Slow.
Hi!
Slow.
Ano ba yung kangaroo?
Parang. Oo, parang kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Is this a kangaroo?
No. It's not a kangaroo.
Oh, what's the name of the animal if it's not kangaroo?
It's a kangaroo, Daddy.
Yung right na, right na.
Right. Number 20, Daddy. Oh. Ano pa ba dito? Wala na dito?
Ang kangaroo na.
Saan? Hindi niya makita.
Yes.
A cute one.
Cockatoo. Wow.
Mommy, Mommy.
Do you hear that sound?
Yeah.
Ang tagal din siguro nila itong ginawa. Ang lawak eh, sobrang lawak. Sa Manila Zoo. Parang isang oras ba yun? Isang oras ka lahat.
Lang kasi yung Manila to.
Parang 2 hours tayo dun sa Manila Zoo, di ba? Malibot mo yun. Ito malawak to talaga.
Shit kaya yun, no?
Yung?
Hindi ka na kumain, maunggoy.
Saan? Palabas? Hindi naman yung mga nag-aalaga. Wala. Doon, doon. Doon mga tayo sana. Ay, sige. Look, Tyler, oh. Huwag ka muna lang. Huwag ka muna lang siya. Sabi safe. Daddy, oh. Daddy.
Kaya,
Tyler, oh. Look. Bobby, ilayo mo siya. Here, anak, oh, here.
Look, another.
Tyler, oh. Look this up. They are all here, anak, oh. They are all here, oh. Hi, they are all here, anak, oh. Look, oh.
What's that? Mommy, what's that, Mommy? Mommy, what's that?
That meerkat. That's a meerkat, anak.
America.
Hi, ano.
pero malapit na
Look, anak, oh, look.
Want to see? Want to see? Want to see?
Yeah.
Masaya na, masaya na.
Sige na, sige na. Nakatulog sila.
Nasa taas sila lang.
Sa taas. Ewan ko lang, dyan siya sa taas, oh. Yun, oh.
Here. Up there.
Nakita niya. Up there? Hi!
I can see.
Masih na. Bye-bye.
I can't see, sabi niya.
Payment mamaya bago bumaba.
Are you happy?
100 isang boat. Dalawa na sila. Isa lang.
Do you want to feed the giraffe?
Gusto mo nang pakain ng giraffe? Kuha ka na naman ng isa.
Ayun na. Ayun na.
Ikaw na magtusok ulit sa natin.
Are you happy to feed the giraffe?
Sila saglit.
Another one.
Ilapag mo lang kasi may tatatusok ko.
Daddy, yan na siya, ha?
Pare, meron pa. Wag kang malis ha. Kung talaga. Hawakan niyo po.
Okay, tara. Enjoy! Let's cheese! It's a running water, yes. It's a running water. It's a running Where? Oh no, it's so big. Over there!
What type of doing?
Oh, he's looking for a food.
Hmm.
Tiger is looking for food. Because the tiger is so hungry.
Honey. That's fine.
Come in.
Where?
Oh, it's so big.
Oh, no, I see also.
It's a tiger.
Wow.
It's a cool tiger.
It's a cool tiger.
It's up here. Oh no, it's too high.
Let's go this way. Come here.
It's so big, oh, Daddy. Laki, oh. Lalaki, oh. Nakatakot, no?
Papa Bear and Baby Bear.
It's Mama Bear and Baby Bear.
Yes.
Naantok na. Teka, tapusin natin. Tawin na tayo.
Hi, dear.
Ne? Get. Ganda na?
Sigat ba siya?
Tyler, kami na. Tyler.
Tyler, come. Let's go now.